Hi, my name is Lizzie. I'm one of the physios at Southside Physio. I'm going to explain in this video how our GLAD back program runs in our clinics. GLAD is an education and exercise program that was originally developed by researchers in Denmark to help people with chronic or recurrent lower back issues that are having a profound impact on their day-to-day life. GLAD back has only just been released in Australia at the end of 2023, and it's part of a big research project that is being run by Macquarie University. These are some of the staff and researchers at Macquarie University that have brought it to Australia, and we're very thankful to them in enabling us to run the program in our clinic. Because GladBack is a big research study, there are a few processes that we need to follow to make sure it's standardized. This makes it a little bit different from the other classes that we run in the clinic. Although if you've heard of the GLAD program for hip and knee osteoarthritis or even been through it yourself, you'll find that it's quite similar. We start with a one-to-one assessment, which is going to be roughly 45 minutes to an hour. And in that assessment, we will run through 4 objective tests to assess your baseline capacity. We will also work together to develop your goals of what you want to get out of the program and set your initial exercise levels. During this assessment, we will also set you up into the research database, which is called REDCap. We'll upload the results from the 4 objective tests, and then you'll be emailed questionnaires to complete before you begin the program. This is a very simple process and it's very easy to navigate. But of course, if this is not something that you want to do, that's fine. You don't have to consent to be part of the research, and you can still partake in the program without it. However, we do strongly encourage all of the participants to be part of the study. The next part of the program is to complete the group education sessions. Now, the way we're going to run it at Southside is actually combine the 2 sessions into an hour-long presentation on all things back pain. This is one of the biggest parts of the whole program, and ideally we run it very close to when you begin. This will provide you with a lot of knowledge to empower you in managing your lower back pain. There is a lot of information out there, some good, some bad, and it can be really confusing for anyone to navigate. So we're going to use the best quality evidence and research on who gets back pain, why people get back pain, when is imaging necessary, what kinds of treatments are effective and available, and why pain affects people differently and how best to manage that. And hopefully debunk a few myths along the way. Then, of course, there is the group exercise classes that will run over 8 weeks. You'll be completing 2 one-hour-long sessions in a group setting, which includes a warm-up and a cool-down. All of the exercises have been designed specifically by the researchers in Denmark. However, there are several levels and modifications that we will make to individually tailor the program to you and make sure you get the most out of each session. You also don't have to reach the highest level by the end of the program, and everyone is going to be going at their own pace and have different requirements. If you miss a session due to illness or another reason, we can add it onto the end of the program if needed. Following those 8 weeks, we complete a reassessment to evaluate your progress. We will run through those 4 same tests that we did at the beginning. We will review your goals, and you will also be sent those questionnaires to complete again. During the follow-up assessment, we will also discuss long-term management of how you're going to maintain the gains that you've made, as well as how to maybe improve further. Remember to fill out the questionnaire surveys that will be emailed to you, as they are very important for the research study. Overall, this is a really exciting program to be a part of, as you're not only going to find an improvement in the impact of your back pain, but you're also going to be part of a big research project that is changing and shaping rehab for lower back pain across Australia. You can check out the Twitter page, and if you have any questions specifically for how we're going to run it at Southside, you can either call us or email us with the details from our website.